CoverAI AI Cover Letter Maker is the game-changing tool that could make your job application stand out with ease. If you've been looking for a way to speed up your cover letter creation process without losing personalization or quality, this is the software you need to know about. In this video, we'll go over 7 crucial things you need to know about CoverAI, including how it works, its features, and why it's quickly becoming one of the most talked about AI tools for job seekers. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can try this software completely free. First off, CoverAI is designed to automate the often tedious and repetitive task of writing cover letters. Instead of spending hours crafting a cover letter tailored to each job application, CoverAI streamlines the process. All you need to do is enter some basic information like the job title, your experience, and any relevant skills, and the AI takes care of the rest. The result is a personalized cover letter that looks professional and shows you're a perfect fit for the position. Now, one of the standout features of CoverAI is its ability to tailor your cover letter based on the job description. The AI scans the job posting and highlights key skills and qualifications that are important for the role. Then it customizes your letter to make sure it addresses those requirements directly. This level of specificity helps your application stand out to hiring managers, and more importantly, can make a difference in passing through applicant tracking systems, ATS, that many companies use to filter applications. Another major benefit is the speed and efficiency. What typically takes hours can now be done in minutes. Whether you're applying to one job or a dozen, CoverAI helps you save valuable time. If you're applying for jobs in a competitive market, speed is key, and CoverAI gives you a real edge. You might be wondering if the cover letters generated by AI will sound impersonal or generic. The great news is that CoverAI uses advanced natural language processing technology, which ensures that the letters are human-like and engaging. Each letter is customized to the tone of the job listing. So whether you're applying for a creative role or a corporate position, your cover letter will feel appropriate. Another thing I love about CoverAI is the simplicity of the interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The layout is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can make changes on the fly, tweaking the letter to your liking with minimal effort. Plus, it's available for both desktop and mobile, so you can work on your cover letters anywhere. But here's a key point you need to know. CoverAI is still evolving. While it's already a great tool, it's constantly improving. The developers are adding more features regularly, including templates for different industries, additional customization options, and enhanced ATS optimization. This means that as the software grows, you'll only see more benefits. Lastly, CoverAI offers a free trial, so you can test the software before committing to anything. You can try it completely free through the link in the description below. That's right. No upfront payment required to see if it's the right fit for your needs. In conclusion, CoverAI, AI Cover Letter Maker is a must-try if you're serious about improving your job application process. With its AI-powered customizations, fast output, and user-friendly interface, it can save you time while boosting the quality of your applications. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and CoverAI stands out as one of the best for anyone looking to up their cover letter game. You'll find my recommended AI tools, including CoverAI, in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy job hunting.